Okay, this is the pronoun antecedent agreement chapter. So at the end of this unit, you should be able to make pronouns, antecedents agree in number and gender, and make subjects and verbs agree in number. All right, what do you need to be able to do in order to do this lesson? You need to identify subjects and verbs. You need to be able to identify pronouns in a sentence. Be able to determine if a given indefinite pronoun is singular, plural, or if it's based upon usage. Be able to make a subject and verb both singular and plural, and identify compound subject. Okay, here's our vocabulary. Antecedent, gender. Gender refers to masculine, feminine, or neuter. And agree, it means if one part is singular, the other part is singular. So the pronoun must agree with its antecedent in number. The antecedent is the word to which the pronoun refers. For example, Bob and Jim bought their guitars to the jam session. The pronoun their refers to Bob and Jim. So Bob and Jim are considered the antecedent of the pronoun their. And we use the plural pronoun their because it refers to one or more person. Okay, number 2, a pronoun must agree with its antecedent in gender. So I know this is kind of a hot topic right now, but I'm just going with what the grammar rules say, not necessarily what society says. The grammar rules say if you are referring to a male person, then you use a male pronoun. If you're referring to a female person, then you use a female pronoun. So we just need to figure out how that works. So subjects and verbs have to agree in number. That means if the subject is singular, then the verb is singular. If the subject is plural, then the verb is plural. If a word refers to one person or one thing, then that is considered singular. For example, dog is singular, but dogs are plural. This is singular, these are plural. Sometimes when words end in S, that makes them plural. However, a verb must agree with its subject in number, and singular subjects have to have a singular verb. For example, the dog eats the food. The dog is singular, so is the verb. The verb is singular when you add an S to it. Now over here, the dogs eat the food. Here the dogs are plural and they have the S, but the word eat does not, and therefore it is plural. All right, singular verbs often end in S, while plural subjects often end in S. If a phrase or clause comes between the subject and the verb, the rule holds fast. So here we have the show shown in all the theaters was very good. The show is singular, was is singular. Okay, we'll come back and do this on the next video.